Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So in this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website or web page in Wix site with a click on a button, with a single click. So to start with, I opened one of my editor. So to start with, I know this page is currently totally optimized, mobile optimized. So what I will do is I will add a page and add some elements like buttons and all. So there I'm going to show you how to add that. This is a view page basically. It's there. I will add some text buttons like this. Just ignore that how I'm adding this. This is for just for tutorial purpose. And then I will add the button because usually these are the some of the key elements or the main elements that you use to add in your website basically. I'll add one more button basically. Yeah. So now I will click on the mobile optimization. You can see currently it is not proper. So I just click on page layout optimizer, click on optimize now. So it is showing that it is optimized. So what I will do is I will again just do like this and click on optimize. You can see it has done like that. Now what I will do is I will add some strip randomly the first and add some color to it. This will add text side by side horizontally. And let me just keep it aligned. Okay. Now just I think it is optimized already. Yeah. We'll again add something. Let's add a button. Like this. Three buttons, and I will again add some text basically here. Adding 5 again 2 times like this. Done. Now I will just keep them center. This button I will try to keep it in center like this. Yeah. The move optimized. As you can see, it is already mobile optimized, but still I'm going to show you how it does. Okay, it has done that properly. As you can see, you need to remove the spaces on your own, and this is how it works. You have to properly shape or give it the shape to the header properly. You have to adjust the cart and all, and resize the size cart to smaller size basically. Yeah, this is how we can use the page layout optimizer, which sets it up automatically. So this is the one way I'm going to show you. how you can optimize the mobile view manually. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood this.